In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a custom domain to Lovable AI in just 5 minutes. This process is straightforward and designed to empower you to take control of your online presence seamlessly. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Lovable Dev account. Make sure you have your login credentials handy, and once you're in, you'll be all set to get started. After logging in, the next step is to open your project. This is the workspace where all of the magic happens, and it's crucial to ensure you are working on the correct project before proceeding. Next, navigate to the top left corner of the screen and click on your project's name. This will open a menu where you'll find various options related to project management. From this menu, you'll need to select Settings. The Settings section is your control hub for various configurations, including the connection of your custom domain. Once you're in the Settings menu, look for an option labeled Domains. Clicking on it will direct you to the Domain Management area, which is specifically designed for handling anything related to domain connections. Here, you will see an option that says Connect Domain. Click on this to initiate the process of linking your custom domain with Lovable AI. When prompted, type in your domain name such as yourdomain.com. After entering the correct domain, you will need to click on Connect Domain once more. At this juncture, Lovable AI gives you two pathways, automatic or manual. If your domain provider is supported for automatic configuration, this choice will simplify the process significantly. However, if you choose or have to go the manual route, copy the A and TXT records provided by Lovable AI. With these records in hand, you'll need to visit your domain registrar's website. This is where you manage your domain's DNS settings. Here, you will enter the A and TXT records into the DNS settings. This step is crucial as it links your domain with Lovable AI. Once you've added the records, return to Lovable AI and click Done. After completing these steps, there might be a short wait for the verification process. Be patient as the settings propagate across the internet. You'll know that everything has been set up correctly when the status shows live, indicating that your domain is successfully connected. And there you have it. Your custom domain is now connected to Lovable AI. It's a process that's not only quick, but also essential for establishing your brand's online identity. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made domain connection a breeze for you.